Model, 2015 Ford Transit 350L3 long wheelbase, Mark 8 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H2 van spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112,122. MOT, 28 September 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, turns over, will need repairing or replacing, bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, full service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. H.